Hi, and welcome to my channel. I'm Toni Coleman Brown, and today I'm going to show you how to create sassy emails using ChatGPT. Make sure to subscribe and come back to this channel often, as I'm going to be sharing a lot of digital marketing strategies that's going to help you grow your business online. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into ChatGPT. So you want to just type it in, and what's going to come up is chat.openai.com. You want to click on this. Now for me, because I'm already kind of logged into ChatGPT, it's already going to log me directly into the software. But for you, you may have to sign up and create an account. But no worries, creating an account is free. So now we're talking about emails. Now, say for someone like me, I want to create an email or emails about my course, Turning Your Knowledge into Profits. Or let's just use email marketing, for example, or social media. Now for this example, we're going to use social media marketing. Okay, so I'm going to click, new chat, and I'm going to first ask ChatGPT to create an email. For this example, we're going to use social media marketing. And the first thing I'm going to do is to ask ChatGPT to create some email titles for social media marketing, okay? And so I'm going to say, can you create 30, let's go back, so I'm going to say, can you create 30 emails about let's just say the importance of social media marketing. Oh, this is not what I want to do. I'm going to say stop generating. Okay. Let's do a new chat. All right. So for this example, we're going to use social media marketing. And the first thing we're going to do is ask ChatGPT So in this example, we're going to use social media marketing. So the first thing I want to do is I want to ask ChatGPT to create some email subject lines for me, some email titles. And so ChatGPT is all about the prompts. So I'm going to prompt it to create 30 email marketing email titles about social media marketing. Okay, so I'm going to say, can you create 30 email titles about social media marketing? Okay, and let's see what it generates. Master the art of social media marketing. Okay, so wow. So it's created a lot of titles. Mastering the art of social media marketing, expert tips inside, boost your brand with powerful social media marketing strategies, unlock social media success, a comprehensive social media guide. So all of these are really good. But what I'm going to do to boost it up a little bit, I'm going to say, can you make these more urban, right? And let's see what it does. Okay, absolutely. Here are examples of the titles with an urban twist, right? Make it more hip, make it more upbeat. And it says, becoming a social media boss, hustler's guide inside. Level up your brand with street smart social media moves. I just love this. Crushing it. Urban strategies for dominating social media. Okay, so how about if I say, can you make these more urgent, right? Let's see what it does. So I love this. I love the fact that it created icons and emojis for all of these. So it's like time sensitive, tips for explosive social media growth, urgent strategies to ignite your social media marketing. So these are all really great. So now what you want to do is you have your regular example of titles, you have your urban example of titles. I like this one, level up your brand with street smart social media moves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this particular title and I'm going to copy it and I'm going to say, can you create an email about, and then I'm going to copy that and I'm going to press enter so that it could generate the email, and let's see what it creates. All right, so this is ready to take your brand to the next level. It's time to unlock the power of street smart social media moves that can revolutionize your online presence and drive your business forward. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, standing out is essential, and that's where we come in, introducing our exclusive webinar. So this is basically announcing a webinar and what you'll discover in the webinar. Now, I did not tell ChatGPT that the email, that this was going to be about a webinar, but it assumed that it was going to be about a webinar. But here is something that you can do that's really, really cool. You can turn around and say, can you turn that into an article? Or let's just say an article, because an article and a blog post is pretty much the same. And let's see what it does. This is really cool. So now it's creating an article that you can use on your website, which is really, really cool. So it's saying elevate your brand with street smart social media moves and, authentic engagement, content that converts, hashtag mastering riding the trends, street smart analytics, influencer collaboration. So this is really cool. So you can create articles, you can create emails, you can do a lot with ChatGPT. What I would encourage you to do is to utilize this, and you can create all of your social media content and all of your digital content. You can create your emails, you can create your blog posts, you can create all of your social media posts. You just have to play around with ChatGPT. It's something that I think that is really powerful and something that you can definitely use. And come back to this channel often, because what we're going to be doing is showing you how you can do so much more with ChatGPT. But this is a great start, and this is something that, like, bam, you can really do some amazing things with AI and with ChatGPT. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you on the next video.